Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genomolo, and on today's video we will be trading with one sole purpose, that is to generate at least 1 million Kenyan shillings, which I want to use to pay the bride price for my beautiful wife here. So this is the first time that you guys are seeing on this channel, and probably it won't be the last, because in the next 3 or 4 weeks you will be seeing a lot of as we do our preparation for what we call nyombo ceremony in Luo, that is the payment for bride price for this beautiful woman. And what better way to generate such an amount of money so soon than to trade in Quotex? Follow us in this journey and learn how you can trade and learn our strategies that you can use to generate this much money in Quotex. Again, my name is Genomolo, and this is my beautiful wife. She's becoming my wife officially in 4 weeks. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can follow along on this interesting journey, and also to see how we traded on this video and how much we made from each. Spoilers alert, you want to make up to 500,000 Kenyan shillings from this single video. See you after the pre-roll. I've just placed a trade for 500.11 US dollars. That is everything that I had in this trading account for today, and I'm trading live. So let's wait for 1 minute and see what happens. And as we wait, let us look for other signals on other assets that I've already pinned on top of this chart. So as always, I don't recommend that you trade with everything at a go, because if you lose, it means you will have blown your account. I've only traded with my entire account balance, because I was sure that this trade was gonna go up, and that is exactly what is happening. We have 8 seconds left until the close of this trade. 4, 3, 2, 1, and it has just closed in profits. So we'll place another trade for 500.11 US dollars again. We've just placed another trade for 500.11 US dollars on the same asset, NZD USD, the same conditions, 1 minute trade duration, and the investment amount varies depending on what we have on the account balance. The time frame is also for 1 minute, which means that each of these candlesticks are closing after every 1 minute. So let's wait and see what happens to our trade. We have 30 seconds left until the close of this trade. 22 seconds left. Another thing that you'll notice, I'm also using 2 moving averages on this chart. I'll explain further how the 2 moving averages work. In 10 seconds this trade closes. Let us wait 10 seconds. I've placed the third trade for $395, still up, and we've won the first one for 895.20 US dollars. So let's wait for this one, which I've placed with the $395. We will win $715 if everything goes well. So let's give it a few seconds. 33 seconds left until the close of that trade. So the moving averages that I've used on the chart are EMA and SMA moving averages. These moving averages can be used as both support and resistance levels. They can be used to pick the direction of the trend. They can also be used to get signals, that especially if there is a crossover that has happened. We've just won our next trade for $395. We got back $395, which means that our trade execution point is the same as the trade expiration point. So when that happens, you get back the entire amount. So for the next trade, we'll do $1,090. Let's do $1,090, still trading upwards. Let's give it 1 minute and see what happens. So as we wait for that, let me explain again the other thing that we also have on this chart is the RSI. The RSI is an oscillator, and an oscillator is used to tell the direction of trends. It is also used to tell when the market is about to reverse, and that is exactly what we will be using it for on this chart. Remember that I'm trading with the trend. The trend is upwards, and all the trades that I've placed today have been upwards, and they have all given me profits. This is the fourth one on this session that I'm recording, and we have 9 seconds left until the close of this candle. 9 seconds, 3 2 1, and it has also closed in profits, giving us $1,994 plus the 200 that we had in the account. Our new account balance is now 2,194 US dollars. So for the next trade we'll do $1,000. For the next trade we will do $1,000, and just by looking at the chart we can see that a recent high has been broken, which means that prices may continue going up. So we will trade up for $1,000. Let's give it 1 minute. Again, that was a very big gamble. If you look at the RSI is already approaching the overbought zone, which means that prices again can reverse downwards. If it does, then we will lose $1,000. But remember, we started with $511. We started with $500.11, which means that even if we lose $1,000, we will still be in profits, because as it stands, our account balance is 1,194. 14 seconds left until the close of this candle. We need a miracle to win that one. So I'm taking it that this is just a correction in the market. It is just a correction. Remember that we had a break of structure. The highest high was broken, and now the market has gone back to retest that level as a new support level. So for the next trade we'll do $1,000 again. Remember, I've just explained that this could be just a correction in the market, then the market will continue going upwards. Remember, there is a break of structure that we've just seen. We've seen the market breaking above the highest high that we had earlier on, and now it could continue going upwards, and that means that we can continue making money by trading up and trading on the direction of the trend. Let us give it a few seconds. 22 seconds left, and if we win that, we will make $1,850 plus the $194 that we have in the account. We will be back at $2,000. Now this is something that is very risky. You may want to calculate your moves. If you're not ready to lose, don't try this. We've just made $1,850 out of that trade, and our account balance is back to 2,044. Our profit is above $1,500 as it stands. So for the next trade we will do $1,000. We do $1,000 for the next trade, and we've traded up, because I still believe that this is just a correction in the market. Whatever we are seeing on the screen is just a correction in the market, and the market is going to continue rallying upward. So I want to take advantage of that to the fullest and make as much money as possible. 22 seconds left until the close of this trade. 12 seconds left. If this wins, we will make $1,860. So our new balance will be $2,800 and $2,900. We've just won that, and our new balance is $2,900. So my objective is to win as much as I can from the market and to withdraw everything, about which you should watch this video to the end so that you can see how I withdraw a huge amount from Quotex. Look at that, the market is still continuing upwards, and we want to take advantage of that. There is a lot of momentum upwards, prices are continuing to rise, and at this point we are ignoring the signals that we are getting from the RSI, because if we go by the RSI, then it means that we should be reversing. So let us just stick to the moving averages. They are all facing upwards, and that is why we've traded up. Again, if you look at price action, there was that break of structure that we just saw earlier on, and if this loses, then again it's just to retest that level for the second time. So I'll still trade upwards for $1,000 if this loses, and it has lost. We've lost another $1,000. So far we are at $904 after placing this new trade, still in profits of $404. Let's wait for 41 seconds and see what happens to our trade. So I've just placed another trade for the remaining amount, which is $904, because I'm very sure that the market is going to reverse upwards and continue making us money. So my new account balance is zero. We are back to where we started. My new account balance is zero, but I'm very positive that these two trades are going to close in profits and take us back to $2,900 and above. So we've just closed the first one. The first one has closed in profits of 1880. So let's wait for the second one, which should close in profits of 1701. If that happens, our new balance will be $3,000 plus. Let's give it time. 4 seconds left until the close of that candle, and we've just made profits of $1701. Our new balance is $3,581.38. See, this is a live account that I'm trading on, and the next one is the demo account. At the end of it all, I want to withdraw this money and show you guys how easy it is to withdraw huge amounts of money from Quotex and how long it takes to get your money. So let's place our last trade. Let's place our last trade for $904. Okay, I still believe that the market is going to continue upwards, so I'll place that, and the expected payout is $1692. If that happens, then I will have crossed the $4,000 mark, and I will withdraw it at that. So I've placed two trades for $904. If you are still watching this video, then don't get nervous. Most of my trades end up being profitable. So that takes us back to $71 in profits. That is what we have at the moment. So again, look at look at the first moving EMA on this chart. That is the moving average that price has just touched. That has closed in a loss of $900 and another loss of $900. But what I want you to concentrate on, I've now seen that the market is going downwards. Placed two trades downwards for $904 and $806. So let's wait and see what happens to these new trades. Let's wait and see what happens to these two new trades and if they will make us money or not. 32 seconds left, 31 seconds left. The other one we are at 19 seconds left. 16 seconds, 12 seconds. I'm now nervous because my new account balance is 0. 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it has closed in profits of 16.92. So let's wait for the next one. It has also closed in profits of 16.20, and our new account balance is $3,200. I've placed another one for 866, which should give us 16.20 in profits. So let's wait for that. Let's wait for that 42 seconds until the close of that candle. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe so that when we do more videos that are Quotex related, you will be the first one to get notified. I'm just getting greedy because if you look at my account balance and where I started, I'm already at over 1900 in profits, which means that even if I close it here, I'll still be profitable. But who am I? 4 seconds left. 4 seconds. The screen has been frozen, but it has closed in profits, and my new balance is $4,066. So that is it. That is everything that I had for you for today. Let us now go to the withdrawal process so that we can withdraw everything that is in this account and show you guys the new account balance that has been withdrawn from Quotex to my personal crypto wallet. Now, I was not able to withdraw my earnings yesterday. Something else has happened. I've tried to trade twice and lost 2 trades, one for $216 and another for $1. But just as promised, I will try to withdraw everything that we have in this account so that you guys can see the withdrawal process in Quotex. So in order to withdraw money from Quotex, the first thing that we need to do is to click on that withdraw button. Click on the withdraw button. Also remember that we are withdrawing to my Binance account, so I've already opened that on the laptop. You can see that at the moment my balance is 0.00 USDT and we will be withdrawing to USDT, so keep that in check. So what we want to withdraw is 3,849. Okay, $3,849, and we will be withdrawing to USDT theta. So I need to add the pass that we will be withdrawing to. Here the pass that we'll be using for withdrawal is USDT. I need to withdraw $3,849, and we will withdraw to this pass here. That is my USDT wallet. We will use TRX, Tron, TRC20. Okay, but remember there are very many other options that you can also use to withdraw from Quotex. For example, you can withdraw to Perfect Money, you can withdraw to Ethereum, you can withdraw to DAI, and all those other crypto wallets. So after you've entered everything that is needed, click on that confirm button. Remember, look at this. You can see that in this account I have $3,849.30 US, and I'm withdrawing $3,849. So let's click on that confirm button and enter the two-factor verification process. So my withdrawal has been sent, and it takes a couple of minutes to 24 hours to receive payments through crypto. So after close to 10 minutes, I received an email from Quotex notifying me that my withdrawal was processed successfully. And when I went back to the Quotex trading platform, I also confirmed that withdrawal succeeded, and they paid me 38.49 from my trading activity that we saw earlier on. If we go to Binance again, if we refresh that, on the Binance trading platform, you can also confirm that the payment has reflected on my account. In total, I've been paid $3,849, which when we can convert that right now, and this is the total amount in Kenyan shillings that Quotex has sent from that trading activity. So it is that easy. You can trade in Quotex. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it to create your account, and you can also follow my trading ways so that you too can earn in Quotex just like I did. My name is Genomolo. Until next time, bye bye.